Respected principal, dear teachers and my fellows, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saim and I am student of class 7th. खुदा बख्शने पे आए जब उम्मत के गुनाहों को, खुदा बख्शने पे आए जब उम्मत के गुनाहों को, तो तोहफे में रमज़ान देता है. My speech is शान Ramadan. Ramadan is a very special month of the year for Muslims. Ramadan is also known as Ramzan. Fasting is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Ramadan is a period for prayers, fasting, charity and self-accountability for Muslims. It is the month which Allah Almighty opened the doors of blessings for the Muslims. Laylatul Qadr occurs in the last 10 days of Ramadan. Muslims also do itikaf in the last 10 days of Ramadan. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam received his first revelation during the month of Ramadan. The month ends with the feast of Eid al-Fitr. It is a gathering based on families. May Allah bless us all with good deeds and action in the month of Ramadan. ना रहेगा सदा कुछ दिनों ही का है मेहमान, ना रहेगा सदा कुछ दिनों ही का है मेहमान, रहमतों से भर लो झोलियाँ, आ गया है रमज़ान. Thanks for listening.